Let me tell you something that most English teachers will not. Courses will not make you fluent in English, and I'll prove it in this video. Let's be honest, how many English courses have you taken? And how confident do you really feel when you speak? Tell me in the comments. This might upset a few people, but here's the truth. You don't need another app. You don't need another grammar book. And you don't need another English course. It's time to stop wasting time and money on what doesn't work. Now, you may be asking yourself, you may be wondering, who the hell are you and why should I listen to you? Fair question. Well, I've been living in the UK for over 11 years now, and I learned English all by myself. So I'm self-taught. And one thing I know for sure is that I didn't become fluent by taking English courses. Let me explain why English courses don't work for most people and what you should do instead for free, absolutely free. Now, why most English courses don't work? Let's be honest. Have you ever memorized a grammar rule but then completely blanked in a real conversation? It happened to me. Or taken a course and still felt like you were reading from a teleprompter when you talked? Well, if yes, the problem isn't you. You see, it's how English is often taught. And the first reason is that courses focus too much on the wrong things. You know, most English courses are filled with grammar rules, worksheets, and vocabulary lists. But real communication, it's barely there. Think about it. How did you learn your first language? Did your parents give you a grammar book? No, of course not. You listened to English, you copied other people, and you spoke with your mouth. That's how humans, us, naturally learn. You can't learn to swim by reading about swimming. You have to get in the water and get wet. Same with English. You learn it by actually speaking it. And reason number 2, you don't need more information. You need more, you guessed it, practice. Too many learners keep buying books and courses and apps because they think, if I just learn a little more, then I'll be ready to speak. No, listen, no. You don't need more lessons. You need more conversations. That's what you need. I've seen people take 5 different courses and still struggle to speak. That is insane. And I've seen others who never bought a course become fluent just by speaking every day. It's simple, right? Fluency is like a muscle. You don't build it by reading, you build it by using it. And reason number 3, you're learning English alone instead of with people, right? So most courses are just you, a teacher, and a screen or a textbook. But language isn't meant to be learned alone. It's meant to be used with others, you know, communication, right? 2 ways. So it's like trying to learn to dance by watching videos, but never dancing with a partner, right? Doesn't work. You will never improve this way, right? So, you know, it's the same with English. If you are not speaking regularly with other people, if you're not practicing the one skill that actually makes you fluent, you will not get fluent. Simple as that, right? Now, what you should do instead, and it's all free. All right, so what's the solution? What actually works? Here is what changed everything for me. It's very simple and won't cost you a thing. Step number 1, join an English speaking community. You don't need a classroom. You need other people, other learners, right, to practice with. Find English speaking groups on Facebook. language exchange platforms online to meet new people and speak daily. Just join one and say hello. That's a good first step. Why not? Step number 2, speak every day, even if you're speaking with yourself, even if you're alone. No teacher, no problem. Just talk to yourself. Narrate your day. I'm making coffee. I'm sipping tea. I'm walking to work. I'm gonna catch a bus. Talk to AI. Talk to ChatGPT. Seriously. Talk with ChatGPT. Practice out loud. Record your voice. Listen back and improve a little each day. If English is around you all the time, your brain gets used to it and eventually it becomes natural, like it happened to me, like it happens to most people. Let me share something that I might have shared in a different video. Many years ago, 2 people that I know moved to the UK around the same time. Now, one of them was very shy and scared to speak with people. The other one was the complete opposite. She would speak, make mistakes, and learn from those mistakes. Now, fast forward to today, the first person is still shy, and after over 13 years living in the UK, her English hasn't improved much. And honestly, that's not rare. Most people who move to the UK as adults don't become fluent, at least from what I've seen, right? And why? It's because they don't practice, they don't expose themselves to the language. The other person, she became fluent, she went to university, and now she has a successful career. That's the difference of speaking regularly. The best thing that you can do now, seriously, the best thing that you can do to get fluent the right way is to just practice every day. It's so simple. Speak every day. My own English speaking skills exploded when I started speaking regularly online, even with a stutter. It wasn't perfect, but it worked because I'm here now talking to you in English. Now, step number 3 is to change your environment to English. Turn your phone and your apps to English. Follow English YouTubers. Follow me. Follow other TikToks who speak English. Watch movies in English. This is basic. Everyone knows this. Watch English movies. Listen to music. Listen to podcasts and all that. Now, I have an offer for you. No, and it's not paid. It's free. So, here's what I'm offering you. Not a paid course, not a magic program. I'm offering you a better, more natural, and free way to become fluent in English the right way. Don't spend hundreds of dollars or pounds or whatever, or 50 pounds a month or something on a course. Don't keep memorizing grammar rules, hoping that one day it will just click. Do this instead. Join a community free of charge. Speak English every day with other learners or native speakers, or speak to yourself. It's free. Simple, right? Change your environment to English. It's free. Try this for 1 week, just 1 week, and I promise you, you'll feel the difference. You'll speak with more confidence. You'll stop translating in your head. Well, not in a week, but yeah, you know what I mean. You'll finally feel like you're making progress, right? So yeah, it's so simple, and don't overcomplicate it. Okay, so now I've got a challenge for you. Leave a comment below. Have you ever taken an English course? If so, did it help you speak confidently and fluently? If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. Tell me which free method you're going to try today. And let's stop wasting time and money and start speaking. That's how fluency really happens in real life. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.